Man, real quick, y'all see my destination? I'm headed to the world famous Brothers Motors. Alright. Supposed to meet a young lady over here today with a Dodge Charger or Challenger, I want to say. Got some noise, guys. Ticking noise, grinding noise, some kind of noise that I aim to find out. Okay, wow, it's quite a bit of cars over here. What is going on? So I think I'm a little early, guys. I try to meet my clients or my customers here just a tad early so I can get set up and find out exactly what's going on. All right, let's go inside, guys. Well, we got this 1500 over here with the Pentastar. I remember the guy that he come back to get the rest of his tune up and all that stuff. Watch this video right here, Brothers Motors. Remember, we put this engine in this car, guys. We got it from a used car salvage shop. They gave us a nice, I think it was a year warranty on the engine. Now, he's not in for engine problem, but he's in to get it all tuned up and stuff. So he's planning on keeping it, so he's gonna hang on to it, guys. But yeah, 3.6 and a 1500. I've seen them also equipped with four-wheel drive, rear hitch. Guys, this is just a V6. Look at all that room down there. You have to. That's enough room for 2 more cylinders, right? Hell, V10. Look at all that room. Well, anyway, the thinking behind that is this V6 Pentastar is capable of handling it. Right? It's a quad cab truck. Like I say, yeah, they got a hitch on it, so if they need to pull it. It's 4x4, which means there's a transfer case, right? 4-wheel drive, transfer case, a hitch, all using a V6 3.6 Pentastar engine. Whoa, pretty amazing, guys. Like I say, don't sleep on the Pentastar. There are some good numbers, bottom end torque numbers and horsepower and things like that. So I definitely wouldn't sleep for the most part. Yeah. So we're about to get this tuned up. And actually, we put plugs in it when we put it in. This is the one, remember we act proactive. We went head on and installed all new lifters and rock arms. So yeah, he is good to go. And we went head on and did a 8-speed. It says the 8-speed, 8 HP transmission in it. We went head on and serviced that. All right, guys, I got the rest of the story on this truck. It's overcharging, guys. I'm waiting until my diagnostic scan tool get up and running. Now, you know what's weird? The computer real good about picking up overcharging and undercharging. The fact of the matter is, the voltage regulations are performed by the engine controller. Long gone are the days where the voltage regulator are built inside the alternator, guys. Yeah, that's long, old technology. Okay, now most of it is controlled by the module. So now this is another alternator. I'm not gonna say new, it's another alternator. So depending on the alternator rating, that could play a role in it. Loose grounds could play a role in it. If you got a loose ground, chances are the computer may try to compensate for it and add more or subtract more. It all depends. All right, so it's things like that you got to look at. But we getting the overcharging code, so we got to find out why the computer detect. And it's actually overcharging. 15 volts at idle is way too much, guys. Should not be doing those kind of numbers. So we're in the process of figuring that out. And I'm sure once my scan tool get pulled up, we will be able to figure it out. So y'all stay tuned, man. Hold tight. This engine, y'all hear that running? Purring like a kid, baby. Hold tight, guys. Be back. P0563. Theory of operation. Okay. So the circuit is pretty simple, guys. Let's go down to possible causes. What could possibly cause this? The alternator or the PCM? But that's when it's time to do. Start the engine and light to idle. With the scan tool, read the target charging voltage. Measure the voltage of the alternator output. Alright then. If the voltage is more than 1 above the target charging, go to step 2. Use the battery tester. So they really want you to test the battery. If the battery pass Go to step 3. With the scan tool, check the duty cycle reading for the alternator.
Go to scan tool. The scan tool plug it.
Get your money back. Did they put the ground strap on right?
I don't know where you put that. They should be arcing if it didn't put that ground on it.
Loose grounds will cause overcharging.
Is there ground on there?
No, it's not a ground on the alternator ground to the block. I mean, we had the engine out, so I'm almost certain those ground straps are tight because it wouldn't have went this long with that problem. Yeah, so it's only one or two things. Alternator or the. There you go. Why that harmonic balancer wobbling like that? Harmonic balancer. I get the man to use PCM. Yeah, I put them all the time.
A used PCM?
Yeah, you know, they don't have to be new. What the hell? Alrighty, guys, I'm about to head out. I had to stop recording, guys, because the guy on the end turned on some loud music. Y'all know I'm monetized, so I can't really be recording music, but I'm about to head out. We're gonna get that what happened? Okay, she ended up, guys, the car, oh my goodness, bad news on the one I was waiting on. The reason I'm here in the first place, she called and say her car quit, okay, en route to get here. It just stopped pulling or stopped going or it died. So she got to find a way to get a tow truck and get the tow truck, get it towed over here. So I don't know, guys, there's a lot of things going through my head as far as what went wrong. I know she was pretty distraught about it and really wanted me to check it out as soon as possible because I get the sense that it was getting worse, whatever it is. And still to this day, I still don't know what it's ticking, grinding, knocking, or what. I did ask her was any oil in the crankcase. She assured me that it was. So I don't know what's going on. We won't know until it get here. But it's en route on the tow truck. In the meantime, I can't hang out over here all day, so I have to head back to the shop. But as far as the white 1500, we found out that alternator has been replaced, so we're gonna do a look at that alternator, guys. I don't know if it's the wrong rating, if it's we don't know. Okay, we're questioning that alternator. It's very rare. I've replaced maybe 2 or 3 PCMs my whole 20-year career doing this for alternator reasons or for charging reasons. So it's not that it's impossible. Yes, PCM failure, internal failure can cause your car not to overcharge. We have an overcharging issue. So we're gonna check. I advise him to check the ground connections, and if not, let's just question the alternator that was just put on. Mind you, we didn't have this problem, or we had a no charging problem. The reason why the alternator got replaced in the first place, but it wasn't by us, so it got replaced by somebody else. So we gotta check some more things, guys. But in the meantime, let me shut this video down. I can keep y'all up to date, man, as far as what's going on with both of those vehicles. The Challenger or Charger is en route on the way. The one that quit on my friend, I hope she's okay. And the 1500, we're gonna first start with an alternator because it's suspect. If you didn't have this problem till after you install the alternator, chances are there's something going on with that alternator that was installed. All right, that's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.